I'm guilty, why do I need an attorney? Someone may ask that question, and let's walk through that. So if someone decides, I'm guilty, I don't need an attorney, I'm going to go to court, represent myself, I'm just going to take whatever they give me and move on down the road. I know how this ends, I've read enough online on Google, right? Well, versus, let me hire an attorney. Let's take a look at it. That attorney's job is not just guilty, not guilty. That attorney's job is way more than that. So they go to the court, they check all the legal basis, they turn over every stone, but what they also do is, let's say at the end of that, we are guilty, right? It's not necessarily guilty, not guilty. At that point, it's what's our punishment? Can we get something lesser? Is there jail time? Is there probation? Is there a certain number of months of probation? What type of probation, right? Every month you're on probation, you may have probation fees. There may be, if it's a DWI, an interlock in your car, all of a sudden, every month of probation is costing you $100, $200, $300, $400, right? So you get a year less probation, all of a sudden you've saved money, right? Now, the other thing to think about and consider is how that case ends, not just guilty, but how it ends with what type of punishment can also affect whether or not you can later get that cleaned up. Maybe you can get an expunction, maybe you can get non-disclosure. You won't know that unless you have that legal advice from somebody and use that attorney to get that result.